Hello and welcome to another video. So today we'll talk about the missing ledgers from indexes 1 to 32,570. So we do know that XRP is a blockchain, hopefully, and we can see here that the ledger index always increments. So you can see here it's now 983, and next time it's 984, and so on. We can see here that the XRP ledger successfully closed 65 million ledgers without any error. But at the start there was a problem. So due to a bug in the code, you can see here that the ledger indexes from 1 to 32,570 are missing. So you can see here that the earliest available ledger is 32,570. The first weeks or so of ledger history was lost due to a bug in the server at the time. We can see here, obviously in testnets and other chains, it starts from 1. And you might wonder, what were the account balances at the start? And to answer that, I was using a tool provided by Visa. We can just download here with a command. I can download ledger index, so you can just enter ledger index and do that. We can see here I downloaded this one here, so also once downloaded the old one. There you can see all the accounts created. So this one contains over 3 million accounts, but I will go back to the oldest one I have here. So I was only able to download that one. The other ones were 3, 2, and 1, 0. So 32,570 and 71, 72, 73, and 74. I was not able to download, so for some reason you can see here it's also saying it didn't find it. I could though try connecting to another one. I could try connecting to the XRPL cluster, but I don't xrplcluster.com. Could try it there. Would be interesting. Yes, I'm able to download that one as well. Cool, yeah. So you can also get that one done. Yes, I'm also able to get it here. So I've got here now the oldest state. So it should already refresh here. So now I've got here my oldest, I've got here the oldest history, I've got the oldest entry, and I will take that file. So that's good. So we'll take that file now and put it into another program I wrote for, so it actually was trying to put into a Postgres database, but it would be, so with the big one, so with the one it would be too large. So it's not nothing fancy here. It's just for, just gonna enter here the right JSON file here, start my program, and this is just gonna it's a very simple program. It doesn't do anything else but quickly in the file here it sorts it. Alright, so now I've got that one here, and it should be the sorted one, shouldn't it? Yeah, hopefully. And right, so I think it worked. And yeah, it basically just takes all the accounts and sorts it by balance. So you can see that account here. This one has 80 billion. And you can also look up the accounts for today. So you can just go to XRP scan, just copy the first address, go to again to XRP scan, and you can just paste it there. And you can see here it's a Ripple Apps account. It used to have after 2 weeks of starting the main chain, it used to have 80 billion XRP on it. And so, or maybe the account was not in Ripple's custody yet and then given to them later. Could be also a possibility. I'm just saying what the account is now. It could be also that this was first created. So like said. And what else? You can also look at the other accounts. You can see here this account has the user set for Chris Larson. So it still contains 1 billion XRP on it. So you can see here also, I guess, the transactions of Chris Larson there. You could also see another account which got 6 billion on it at the inception. So you can also see, not inception, so like I said, it's 2 weeks running already, and this is the state which it had after 2 weeks of running. And this is ledger index 32,570. So at the very start. And right, so that's how it works, how you can do that. If I could also maybe provide the files if for people who are interested into that. Anybody can download that and you can just check it yourself. Like I said, it's a simple program. Like I said, Visa made the tool for that, for fetching ledgers, and you can just download the entire all accounts. So you could also download all the accounts in the current state, so in the current ledger. Alright, that's it for this video, so I hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.